In this birthday, I wish that next time you will score full marks in your maths exam.
Okay, ma'am.
These are the blessings from my side.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, yeah. What we were doing in the previous class? The last topic, last thing we did.
We did the like conversion of numbers into the words.
Okay. Do you wrote the number as well?
Yes, ma'am. We discussed the answer.
So which question it was?
Ma'am, it was. Ma'am, it was the fifth question.
Fifth question. This one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Decimal in words. Okay. Now over here, this questions comes, right? This is very important question as well as the good question. Okay. And the thing is
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
see, in this question, what they are asking is this. Between which two numbers in the 10th place on the number line does each of this lies? Right? So over here, they are not asking you generally, right? What they are asking you, can you tell me the difference between the question we did and this question? They are asking you which two numbers in 10th place. 10th means this side of the decimal.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So earlier, for example, the same question we did in the previous classes also. For example, 0.6. I just directly ask you between which two numbers the 0.6 will be lying. Right? Yes. Then you told me, ma'am, between 0 and 1, it will be lying. Right? But here, they are not asking you between two numbers. What they are asking you is that between which two number in 10th place. Getting the point? What they are asking. Right? So they are asking you between the 10th place. Okay. So over here, what you have to do basically is you have to find this 0. You will ignore this one. Okay. And you will see this 0.06. Okay. So it will lie
Okay,
between 0.06 will lie between 1. Between what? 0 and 0.1? Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Why? Now the thing is that why 0 and 0.1? Why not 1? See, 0.1 will be tens. So it will become 10 automatically. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting the point? Abu Bakr, you are also getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the second one. For example, 0.45. Okay. So over here, this is 1 upon 10 and this is 1 upon 100. Right? So over here, where it will lie? It will lie between 0.4 to 0.5. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? This is 0.19. So it will lie between 0.1 and 0.2. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So 0.66, you will tell me. Easy now.
Yes, ma'am.
So first write these down. See 0. Okay. Let me just explain it one more time. For example, it is 0.60. Right? You have to see this one. Now 2 times. Right? So this 0.60 will always come between 0 and 1. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be your answer. Now, if I give you 0.45, right? So this will be between 0.45 will be in between 0.4 and 0.5 only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Because after this, what will come? 0.41, 0.42, 0.43, 0.44, 0.45, 0.46. So it is lying between 0.4 and 0.5, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
coming to the next one, for example, 0.19, right? So at that time, what will be the question? This will be between 0.1, right? 0.2, 0.3, so on, 0.19 like this. So it will lie between 0.1 and 0.2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. In these type of questions, it will be always between 0 and 1 because it is 6 here, right? But in case if it is like this, then tell me where it will lie.
Ma'am, 1
Between
and 2.
between 0 and 1.
No, ma'am, 0 and 10.
Think about it. Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, 0 and 100.
0.06 it is. So it will lie between 0 and 1 or not,
Ma'am, I don't know.
right? So this is what basically you have to take care of. That's it. And okay. So I hope I have made myself clear. So I have done till 3, right? The 0.06 will lie between 0 and 1, right? This will lie between 0.4 to 0.5. This will 0.1 and 0.2. Rest you have to do these 3 and then we will discuss the answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, both of you done?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So, who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am, for the D1 or the A1?
For the D1.
Ma'am, 0.6 to 0.7.
Okay. Same for Abu Bakr? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And here?
0.9 and 1.0.
Okay. Good. Abu Bakr, same? Yes.
Ma'am, yeah.
Okay. Okay. F1?
First
0.
one?
FF, this one. 0
Okay.
0.5 to 0 0.6? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, now coming to this question, I have already taught so many times. So I'm not going to explain this now. You will do it on your own. Okay, so do it and we will discuss the answer. So who will tell me what we have to do in this question? Read it and tell me. First, Manisha will tell me because
Ma'am,
it's
first,
Manisha's birthday. So Manisha will tell me this one. What we have to do in this question.
first we have to convert it into a fraction, and then we have to like convert it in the lowest form.
Yes. Abu Bakr, same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm just erasing everything. I'm just marking the question number which you have to do. So you have to do this question number 7. Do it and then we will discuss the answer. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. Done, ma'am. Ma'am, I got a washroom. Ma'am, ma'am, I got a washroom. Ma'am, can we discuss the answers?
Okay. Both of you are done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Abhishek,
ma'am.
you are also done? Okay. So tell
Yeah.
me the answer for the first one.
Ma'am, can we do it alternative?
Yes. First Chakri, sorry. First Manisha, second Abu Bakar. Okay? Yes. So first
Ma'am,
one, tell me.
the first one is 3 by 5.
Okay, good. Second, Abu
One.
Bakar. Okay, good. 1 by 20. Third,
3 by 4.
good. Fourth,
9 by 50.
very good. Fifth,
1 by 4.
okay. Sixth,
1 by 8.
1 by 8. Okay. Seventh,
33 by 100.
very good. 33 by 100
No,
or
ma'am.
500?
Ma'am,
500.
Yes, good. Okay. Now, very important questions comes to you is comparing the decimals. Okay. Usually when we compare it, for example, this is 4 and this is 3. So I'll say who is greater. You will say, ma'am, this one is greater. Right? Do you people get confused between these signs?
No, ma'am.
No? Abu Bakr? Abu Bakr, you get confused or not?
No.
No? Okay. Because I was the one who get to confuse. Then my teacher told me one thing. Whichever number will be greater, just open the mouth on that side. So, in case if you get confused. Okay. But over here in the decimal, you never know which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Right? So, basically, for example, in this question, one number is a whole number. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And 0.99. So, obviously, it's very obvious that one will be greater. Yes? Right? For example, I gave you 5 and I gave you 0.63. Definitely, this is in zeros and this is in whole number. So, this will be greater. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here? Okay. But the question comes, for example, I gave you this 1.09 and 1.093. They both are in decimal. Then how will I get to know that, ma'am, which one is greater and which one is smaller? Right? So, do you have any idea?
Ma'am, if
Which
there
will
is
be greater?
0, then it's the biggest. It's like, because there are in the first one there are 3-digit number and the second one there are 4-digit number.
First one, two, yes. So, over here, this one will be the greater. Clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So, you have to check the number of digits. Okay, over here, after this, there are only 2 digits and over here, there are 3 digits. So, of course, this one will be the greater one. Clear? Because
Yes, ma'am.
0.9 or 93. Of course, 93 will be more, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now here you go. This question is for you. You have to do all the questions and then you have to find which one is greater. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. So now let's just discuss the answer alternative. First Manisha and second Abu Bakr. Okay? Okay. So Manisha, tell me the first answer.
Ma'am, the first one is 0.4.
0.4. Right? Okay. Next, Abu Bakr.
0.07.
Good. C.
3.
Okay. D.
0.5.
Good. Next.
1.23.
Okay. Next.
0.90.
Good. Next.
Equal.
Equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Next. H.
1.490.
Okay. 90, not 90. Okay.
Yeah,
Next.
90.
J. I. Sorry. I. Equal. Okay. Next.
5.64.
Okay. Very good. Okay. So now this is what? Now what we are going to do over here is the conversion. Okay. So conversion, I think the first I told you about this now. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. Right?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
there is one more conversion which will 1 rupees. Right? So 1 rupee basically equals to 100 paise. Clear? So
Yes,
if
ma'am.
I give you, and in 1 paise, how many rupees will be? 1 upon 100 rupees. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I told you basically, 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Okay? And 1 paise will be 1 upon 100 rupees. Clear? So
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
if I give you a question like that 3 rupee 3 will be equal to how many paise? So what you will be doing? You will write it like this. That 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Okay. Then 3
Yes, ma'am.
rupees would be 3 multiplied by 100. So that will be 300 paise. Clear? In this
Yes,
question,
ma'am.
what I will give you? I will give you that 3 paise equals to how many rupees? So you will write 1 paise equals to rupees 1 upon 100. So 3 paise equals to 3 multiplied by 1 upon 100. So it will give you 3 upon 100, which will be 0.03. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope Abu Bakr you are also done. You got it how I did?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically this is the conversion you have to remember. You will write this. If I ask you that how much rupees it would be, you will write it like this. If I ask you how much paisa it would be, you will write it like this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So quickly write down these two formulas, like a conversion 1 rupee equals to 100 paisa and 1 paisa equals to 1 upon 100 rupee. Right? Then I will give you the questions.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Both of you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry. Write it down. If you want to write the examples, you can even write the examples. This
Okay.
one, which I do. Yeah, write it down so that at least you will get an idea. Because students get confused when they are like we are asking whether to find paise or to rupees. So instead of writing paise properly, just write P. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Abubakar, you are also there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now one more conversion is there for this centimeter and meter. Okay. So over here, what you are going to write is this, that 1 centimeter equals to 100. Sorry. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Okay. So in 1 centimeter, there would be 1 upon 100 meter. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, if there are 3 meter, convert it into centimeter. Okay. And if it is 3 centimeter, convert it into meter. Clear? You will do this and you will tell me the answer. First write these conversion and then do this. Okay. This one you have to find in centimeter and this one you have to find in meter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, so are you done? Abubakar, you are also done? Abubakar. Abubakar, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are done?
Yeah.
Okay, so over here, first one is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 meter would be 3
300
multiplied by 100.
centimeters.
So 300 centimeter. And in conversion, 1 meter, 1 centimeter equals to 1 upon 100 meter, right? So 3 centimeter would be 3 upon 100 meter. So it will be 0.03 meter. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is weight, right? So when you have to measure a weight, then it will be for the kg, right? So this is what you will write. 1 kg equals to 100 gram and 1000 gram. Wait, let me just erase it. Okay, so 1 kg would be 1000 gram. Okay, but in case if I ask you 1 gram, it would be 1 upon 1000 kg. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do me 5 kg converted into grams. Okay, and 5 gram converted into kg. Okay.
Done, ma'am.